Hi, today I'm going to talk about where people develop different skills around the world. First, I think the people can cook really well in Mexico because cuisine is very rich, traditional, and diverse. For example, people prepare dishes like tacos, mole, using fresh ingredients, spices, and techniques that have been being passed down for generations. Cooking in Mexico is not just a skill, it's part of the culture and identity. And the people usually learn it about their families at very young age. Also, I believe people can make movies really well in the United States, especially in Hollywood, because they are advanced technology and strong film industry. Another example is Brazil. Brazil. I think the people can dance really well in Brazil because it's part of their culture, music and traditions like samba. In addition, people can play soccer really well in Argentina because the soccer is very popular there. Finally, I think the people sorry, I think the people can surf really well in Australia because they have amazing beaches. So different countries are known for the different skills and people develop them through culture, practice and environment. Thank you. Nunca rendirse.